Okay, so now it's a summer cover. This is an extended version of Bedroom on Adom TV, and it was special coverage be at the amount. And then Konkomba group and ABD and Komo. More Konkomba penny for pa e wo fijemu. Ye no more ABD and Komo. Konkomba planners, cultural planners, and on the pay no ABD and Komo. It just all to sound no what here. Akudi akra ba be show na da ho no abam asi afa eti but mombra was mombra can say mombra eti uri akokoma fo no eba kokoma cultural planners for na eba no pay ye no ba be di enkomo na no pay no ma be chei kokoma na kasa no efifa ebe sifa eti nice one. Eti bia na onim Konkomba enwum ne bia. Ebi na no pay weti eti. We ye enwum na mo boy. We beat be na mo boy. Indeed.
Yeah.
What is it?
That is the intro.
Intro.
Yes.
Intro to
the dance when a man pass away.
Okay.
This is the intro.
Okay.
To perform a man's funeral dance.
Okay.
Or when you this dance is hunters dance.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Or when they go for hunting.
Okay.
And then they get their praise and then they are coming back. They use these songs to come home. Yeah, it is. We can also call it victory song. Let's see, the conquered for victory song. Okay.
It is a man called Enurem no mo eba. A man ye de ofi.
A man ya sorry. Etam haban na nema nchense a emuso son na ye de bo from na ye neje na ye mene ehia homo kwa
enam no mo de baninti ana
ko ne de homo ko de ba
eji enye nam ne gua but ekurimdi no makọ so mo kọ enwurem no mo timi asa abafie no mo bafie so mo de ade ebafie okay so that's all about this enwumi.
This is all about the intro that let's say also when you have an encounter with your enemy, then you overcome, you come home with what? When you are coming, this is the praise songs that they used to welcome you.
Okay.
So in short, I'll say this is a victory song.
Konkomba Culture Planners Troupe. When bit me abe joining.
Acho ebusuan bia to me be joining.
Okay.
Ebusua bia.
Enye Konkomba fonko.
There be. Ebusua bia betumi abadwane bi. Because Konkomba ka chafanes na yamwa ya boaboa ya ho.
Okay.
Because ya o bebre wa yentam a o ntimi nsa.
Yeah.
Ba o mo wa yentam.
Okay.
E fa ne say bibi hia ya obetumi aboa ya. E na ebi hia ono so a ebetumi aboa no. Enye group kekese ya nam se ya boa ya ho.
Okay.
Like sana muti a asam tu obi ebi mutumi koboa no. They say ekuo. Sana ya kitanti ekuo bi abetumi abemu bi. Nya Konkomba fonko ha.
Okay.
Me fan say yewo as we stand now, me fan say your organization.
Okay.
You know, every organization we have shareholders in the organization. Let's see if you are not a Konkomba. And then you are willing to support the movement. Okay. You join as a shareholder. Okay. You support us in our activities. Then, when you also need our service, then we render it.
Okay. So, what have been brought about this whole Konkomba Culture Planners Troupe?
You see, in every society, your culture is your identity.
Sure.
So it gets to a time we saw that our culture is fading out.
Okay.
So 2017, we installed a youth chief in Accra.
Okay.
His name was then Obar Ntebe Bewalte.
Okay.
That was 2017.
Yeah.
See, so he brought this idea that as we are in Accra and then our culture is fading out, we should have an association. And then the association who will hold this culture so that it won't fade off. So that we use it to teach the young ones that we are giving.
To sustain generations. To be person join the Konkomba Culture Planners Troupe. Number be no be free. They are joining.
0242.
0242.
Yes.
Okay.
96
40
71.
Mention again.
0242 96 40 71.
Afi fa nyum no eje akwa mede dia kwasinsi yakwo ya admeda dwada. Ye be say dia hia on bedwamti. Bo nyum no na ja e fa ba eja me kwan.
Jayo. Ye likrimo matine zauna ki sala ne kala magwani ni be ye. Yeah, tawale, kamatijo tawale. Tawale, kamatijo tawale. Kamatijo
I think we want to acknowledge our chiefs. I think we are in Adom TV, and we need to acknowledge them because we will not be there if they are not there. Nkpakpando abarli tiabe Adom anakun kichakwi pon tijo idun kijuti aso bora kama bekwitia nja ado chati ombar ido empire chati obar ntebe bewalt kwali to kwali abar Accra Central Business District akwa ambara ya 2017 o nampi kana chink anya bank mana Accra na lala ngapa nkpakpa nka ta wanka ya lalenga tebale trele ngane ka ubaja njo so tebale trele aya san obor ka ya blon che kama ka abekwete ya da apwank ditit asa minister asa MP asa DC asa MC asa CEO asa director aya blon che kama ka so kwanje ya talaba na trele obor bak nkal ngmana nde nkpakpa ndeke de bom ndana aya kwi nkal mna la banya na ka chata wal kana che ya na ka fi le palawo na we abena benchana kala ko yin ka kana konkomba ka cha plan se la jo le wale ba akrado an ka aya fu yitimi ba pon ba gurbe le wale awam ka bet bana asarwa kinya na konkomba ka cha plan se la ba akra ka bangana yabo so talaba na atrele ke na tita mpwa ngetala ngba de konkomba ka cha plan de chu ka de mu durnya aya kwi lonje kama talabo ya bingira ke lawal mna lasa wa chal te sagana ne ba akalan la cha wonul bi alasa wonul ya aya wanka akal amunul wanka ngba kiyambu ya ngana nkpakpando abarli benin nyumbe nkpakpando ya kana ta fanu na bonati konkoma ga cha planes konkoma ga cha planes sekati nkpakpando mul blema ni ala tire tlana lana benimbiya konkomba ka cha planes na mbong te sento ko ba atabo la de idon kedeti ubar bankal na mo the first kaswa gumwa fete abar unso ko pambra ka benu ache ya la la ko udete de bonus na programs ka pa kiyan la gamba barli banguru ya mo ke na ta fa na bonti ka cha planes ka wala ga fa no bonati bona kan ngalam banka yor we chudu ado ko komlin yor ubar kunja tasa and sif pasa akpambar obar bengali wolaler pandai ocha obar sakojim matir the fourth kiyan doni otindambar benabeba wolaler abecha bob lalaga ne ta fana na boniti la kpan lemena necha ne nembelebele kwi konkoma ka cha planes landa ngbe la kpan linaya ngmade nkpakpande ke de bom dandar azu kama abelo ababe kalande abelo ne ka pantrim ka adatar gicha nkalang minansan ya waka bake alayite mbolang mingata ba liya bo 0242964071 ayinte mbolang mingibo kiya banke atrententrim kama ya ntrengba ngalapi konkoma ka cha planes yeba bagwa pam tinga kinyaba nlicha tele kpampwa we ya sedu tali kpampwa ba ti ala tinga de gba chuta le bo sa kwelen be dare la ma de bom ki ya tala le ma sa kwelen kedar la nyin ka de bom umbaram bi no bolon ki kama na ba ka bekwitia